Chocolate coffee bread recipe. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to MissCoffeeBaby. Today, I have something incredibly delicious and indulgent to share with you, my mouthwatering chocolate coffee bread recipe. If you're a fan of chocolate and coffee, you're in for a treat. So, let's not waste any time and dive right into it. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our scrumptious recipes. Now, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup buttermilk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup chocolate chips. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, instant coffee powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, whisk the eggs, granulated sugar, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, a few lumps are okay. Gently fold in the chocolate chips into the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 50-60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, remove the bread from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. After cooling, transfer the chocolate coffee bread to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and enjoy. You can also add a dusting of cocoa powder or drizzle melted chocolate on top for extra indulgence. If you've tried this recipe or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you all. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our food-loving community here at MissCoffeeBaby. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Until next time, happy baking and enjoy your chocolate coffee bread.